It's coming really, really fast. Gaba,
Yeah, I see it. And it's coming in the other truck on the same one.
cover your ears.
The same truck, huh?
Yeah, no, it's not.
Oh, the other truck.
Yes. Cover your ears.
Wow.
What the hell? Where are we now? He said hi.
Hey.
The driver said hi.
Oh, he waved.
Yeah, he was like this.
Oh.
So, what is this stuff? What is this stuff?
I didn't notice it. Maybe it was windy. I didn't notice it.
That was not weird. And the end!
Oh. Look, gravel on top.
What?
Gravel. Do you see what's carrying?
Yeah.
Like little rocks, like for the lawn, like for my front. Yeah.
Why did it end so short?
I don't know.
That's weird.
And it's going on the other truck. That's weird.
Strange. It's really short.
Well, let me tell you, there's not going to be trains coming out now
No,
for a while.
because the two trains there, they came by the same track.
Yep.
Wow, that was pretty short and fast.
It was faster. It was going faster. Now the light board's red.
They're both red. That's crazy. That was pretty short. The shortest
So
train.
now we know for sure that when it's raining, there's a train coming.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
And when it's red, it's already
Oh no,
passed by.
now the light is yellow.
What does that mean?
That means another train? That means another train.
No, it's got to be green.
Okay, this is
Maybe it means for a little while, there's another train coming.
This is getting really weird.
I don't know what the yellow. I got to ask